Hi, today we'll discuss about 8279 interfacing with 8051. So in order to interface with 8279, so first we need to set the display mode. So this will act as a keyboard and interfacing. Either we can set the keyboard and display mode. So how we can set the display mode setup? So this is a control word format for the display mode. So if I'm going to make a 8-bit character display or a 16-bit character display. So the DD mode, if it is a 00, it's a 8-bit character display. From the left entry we can see. Or if I want to make a left entry 16-bit, I have to give 01. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 8-bit character 01 16 8-bit character display left entry I'm going to do. So the data will be 00001. So I will get 01 as my data for display mode setup. And then second setup I need to do a clear display. So the data which will be stored in the RAM memory location, directly I will take the data from that. So it will become always be 11 and then 00 and 1100. So the data will be CD0 means the content of the RAM will be displayed, and whether I'm going to make a anode method or cathode method. So in the 7 segment display, the LED will be connected common anode method. So I'm giving a 111. That is the second character clearing display 1100 1100. So it becomes CC. And then third setup I need to give write a display RAM. So I'm giving a 4 character means automatically the next character should get incremented. So further I need to give this is a 1. So it will become 1001 and 000. So it will become 90. So these are the 3 controller format I need to set initially. And we'll see the program. Here we need to see the 2 different registers. The data which is stored in the data register address is FFC0 and control status register is FFC2. So the data first I need to store it in the data register, and then once all the data has been stored, I need to give the control register as FFC2. So first we can see I'm going to set the control format. What is the control format I'm going to set? I'm going to make a display mode and then clearing a display and then left entry. So all the character I need to set. So for that I'm going to give FFC2 and the lookup table, that is nothing but what is the character I'm going to show. So that I'm going to store it in the 4400 location. So that's why this is as given, and the 10 is given for display mode setup. This I already explained. And then the data A I'm just copying to the location 4500 because the data 10 I'm just saying to the data register, to the control register of the 8279A. And then CC is for the data which is there in the array RAM should display. So for that the setup is CC. That also I'm writing to the data register. And then for incrementing, auto incrementing is 90. That also I'm writing to the FFC2. So once a control registers as written, I have to take a data. So what is my data? My data will be there in the 4400. So how I'm going to write a data? So for that, so we can see 7 segment display. So in each character, this is 7 segment display. It's ultimately A, B, C, D, one display point, dot point. So this I have to write like this: A, B, C, D, D, P, E, F, G, H. So whether it can connect it to the common anode method, each and everything is one LED is connected. Whether I'm going to make a common anode method or common cathode method, any one of the method we can follow. So for example, I want to display character Elpus for H. So this is H. So what are the characters I'm going to use? F, E, B, C, and then G. These are the LED I'm going to use. What are the LED I'm going to use? I'm going to make it a 0. What are the LED I'm not using? That I'm going to make it as a 1. Okay, so it will become 1001, and always the display point will be 1 and 00. So that my hexadecimal number is 68. So similarly for E, so you will get 68. So I'm going to display 16 characters. What are the characters I'm going to use? That I'll have to use this value. The remaining value for a blank space I have to give all are 111. So it will become FF. So now we can see in the lookup table, because my memory location 4400, so this is a space. I'm not going to use any character. So this is all FFF. I'm going to display a character help us. For H is 98, for E is 68, HEL for L7, then P 68, then one space. One space is FF, then followed by the S. 1C and 29. So by using this concept, we can find out what is the value to be loaded, and then I'm giving a delay. So once the delay is over, then I can see the help us in the 7 display. You can see the help us has been displayed. Thank you.